Hi, this is Frank Puente with Premium Residential Remodeling, and I want to make this video because if you are thinking on remodeling your home, you need to know what is the right contractor you need to choose. If you're in the area, of course, you need to choose me. But these 3 tips will help you to find the right contractor, no matter where you are. So let's go. Well, the first tip you need to know to write a choose contractor is verify their credentials. What I mean, for example, I'm in Texas. Here, there is no license requirement for general contractors, but we have to have some kind of acknowledgement. You need to know that for sure they have that kind of acknowledgement. In my case, I'm certified by NARI. NARI is an organization. I will show you my certificate. I have to renew it every year, and in order to renew it, I have to study and pass several tests. I will put it right here. Several tests and be updated on regulations, codes, these kind of things. So there is some states that require a license. You need to for sure have a license with a license. And another important thing is the liability insurance. In my case, my company carries a liability insurance of millions. You can find it here, very transparent in my website. You go to certificates. Those are my certificates, and here you can have a copy of my liability insurance. Make sure no matter who you hire, they have a liability insurance and has some kind of certification. And if you're in a state that requires license, check the license is up to date because the license expired. In Texas, where I am, I need to hire subcontractors licensed only in 3 areas: mechanical, which is AC, electrical, and plumbing. So all the people I hire to do this kind of jobs have license. In other states, it's also the same. So make sure that happens. Certification is key because that will provide you warranty, that will provide you with the confidence of somebody with acknowledgement is doing your job well. The other tip I want to share with you is to make sure they have done business before, and they've been successful. One way to prove it is with this, the reviews. You can check it as well in my website or in the contractors website you want to hire. Make sure they have reviews. There is several sources of reviews, not just Google. Google, One House, Yelp, Facebook, Trustpilot. Customers do not get agree on which one is the place to leave the review. Sometimes I discover I have a review in a place I didn't know. But one way to check, because I've been looking some of my competitors, which are kind of shady, they have 100 reviews, all 5 stars. But if you see the reviewers, the names are not even American, or they have only 1 review. So make sure the people who is leaving the review is real. In this one I print, which is the first page appears in Google of my reviews. I have this customer, which is a local guide. She left 21 reviews. Then this guy, he only left 3 reviews in another place. So make sure the people leaving the reviews is real, because having 100, 200 reviews is not always guaranteed that people are real reviews. So this is the tip number 2. The third trick to avoid shady contractors, it is red flags. Look for red flags in the contractor you want to hire. So we spoke that the reviews has to be of real people. He has to be with credentials, valid credentials. But check for these red flags. For example, do not pay more than 60 or 70 or even 80% or 100% of his job prior to the job. So never do that. If it's a big project, You can do several payments. If it's a small project, you can do 50%, 60%, and then small payments. But you need to see work progress, not ask for money and they shop once or twice and then ask for more money. Don't do that. So that's a big red flag. Another red flag is if they want to pressure to sign the contract right away, like they are ready to job and they don't want you to look for another quote. So avoid that. Always look for at least other 2 quotes so you can decide which one is the contractor with more knowledge, with more trustworthy, and you need to evaluate the quotes. Speaking of quotes, that's another tip. Sometimes they write 1 bathroom remodeling, $20,000. This is a big red flag. Use detailed agreements. Remove the toilet that much, reinstall the toilet that much, demolition the tile that much, bagging the tile and dispose the tile that much, painting that much, remove the mirror that much, install the new mirror that much. Everything detailed. So that's a big red flag. If you don't have something like that, avoid hiring somebody who wants to give you a very lump sum agreement without details. That will have you problems in the future, so avoid that. So these are the red flags, and since I try to do it is a very quick video, please, if you think it's useful for you, give a like, leave a comment, visit my website, it's premiumresidentialremodeling.com, and happy renew of your house. Please find the right contractor. There is plenty, all of them well certified, with a lot of knowledge, with wide variety of price range, but avoid being scam. Just watch for these advices and watch for red flags. Well, I am Frank Puente with Premium Residential Remodeling.